Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So Corey's T-Rex on its way home. It's a really loud 5-speaker bike. So on this one, we ended up going with Gel Audio 13-inch slim sub, custom enclosure done by Joseph at eTunes in Texas. eTunes speaker pods, 8-inch on the back. We ran Cicada CH 8-inch in the kick panels and in the rear pods. Ran 3 Cicada amplifiers and a Braille lithium to power it all. We used an FLX 700 to run the 4 horn tweeters in the coax. We use a FLX 2000.4 to run the 8-inch mid-range drivers. And we use a FLX Cicada 1600.1 to run the 13-inch subwoofer. We used Cicada 12-channel DSP, and we ended up using 10 out of the 12 channels. So the tweeters are on the first 4 channels, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 8-inch woofers, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the subs on the last 2 channels, 11 and 12, which left 2 channels available for future expansion. This features the 10-inch Stinger High 10 radio with obviously wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, giant 10-inch screen, custom eTune dash. You guys will see it in the video. And everything's color matched, some beautiful 4G auto wheels. It's a really, really good looking trike. Gets a lot of attention when people walk in the building and they check it out. It's really well put together. He has a crazy LED lighting kit that was previously installed. But check out the build.
soy un payaso, que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya lo pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces todo mi querer. Déjame solo vivir esta vida que sabe a ternura, por más que llores.
Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Niggas wanna trap, niggas wanna